All right, today's the big day at Project 291. I'm all loaded up and I'm here, and Curtis is gonna come out, so let's make some stuff happen today. All right, I got the juggernaut. I'm gonna offload it. I got enough for the big plot, I'm pretty sure. I wanted 200 pounds of seed and 4 bags of fertilizer. And the drag is, I know it's gonna come apart today totally. I never did get around to fixing it. All right, but what we're gonna do, when it comes apart on this end, I brought some extra D-rings, so we'll just put a chain on the back side and pull it that way. Hopefully it'll survive the day. All right, let's try and get this thing off. Stuck on a D-ring down there. Parking brake works good. Let's try it again. Curtis is gonna really appreciate that power steering today. And hopefully me. I wanna get on the ATV some too, but for now I'm gonna get started here with the chisel disc. I'm only gonna try to scratch up just the top. I know I'll get a bunch of junk, but I just think doing it the right way, even though it's gonna be for sale, do it once and done. And then pray for rain. Wow, the view's a lot different in the tractor. It feels really good to get a tractor out here. Making our way to the back. Alright, so if we don't get stuck on this road, this is the worst road on the entire property, because I had to build it up and it just sat wet for weeks and weeks and weeks. So it will be high and dry once we get it graded and compacted, but right now it's going to have a low spot coming up here. Couple of them, but I think the tractor will grip right through it. While I was dragging my look at all the deer tracks. I don't know if you saw them or not. Going right through this road. Alright, I'm starting at the big one. Triage it, most important ones first, in case you break something. Get out of the hand here. All right, that didn't last long. It's doing its job, it's working, but somehow this bottom hook jumped off. So now it's all wedged in there, and I can't get this 3-point down off of these other two because it's bound up. So I'm going to take off the hydraulic lines and try and make some magic with the tractor. Otherwise, I mean, I could lift it, but I could risk damaging it more. But I'll pull these lines off and try to make something happen with the strength of the tractor back and forth. We'll see. See where Curtis is. You know, and I looked at my sledgehammer this morning, and I'm like, I should throw that in the truck. And guess what? I didn't. But I got a big metal pry bar. I really don't want to drive the tractor back there and risk wrecking this thing. Plan B, I guess. Alright, I took the top link off. I'll lose that. Figuring maybe it would come down a little nicer, but nope. Sledgehammer, that's it. Boom, one hit, one hitch, it's off. Yeah, of course I have a tractor hammer. Not much power there, but I took top link off. I'm trying to get this pin out here, which will help free it up some. I gotta be careful if this thing lets off a little pressure here. Okay, so I hear Curtis. Yep, that cultipacker is quite unmistakable. So let's wait till he gets here, and then I'm going to try and just knock that one off and remount it, and hopefully it's going to stay now. I don't know if anything bent or not. Damn, it can never go smooth. A heck of a good start today, though. I may put a strap or something on this once I get it back, and just to try to hold that in place better. Right, I know how it came out. This, see this line here, that damage there? Somehow both lines were running right here. Somehow that line, that hydraulic line, was stuck under here. Okay, and that probably loosened it up just enough to let that bottom one out. So fingers crossed, nothing's bent too bad, and we can get it mounted back on. All right, Curtis is smarter than me. I didn't even have to go in that wet trail. I forgot that he connected this trail to another one that I had. So he's coming this way. Yeah, I've never even been on this trail. I mean, I cut like a quarter of it, and I got sidetracked doing something else, and then he came and finished it for a second access to this big food plot. And yeah, he's bringing the cultipacker this way. I kind of heard him, and I'm in the woods. I'm like, he ain't coming up the main road.
And I'm like,
yeah,
I'm leaving it. Man,
that's it, all I needed. So maybe you could spot me and get him backing us back in there.
Yeah.
Let's see this.
I need to put my quick hitch on. I still got to grind down these right here.
Oh, sorry. That's what I want. So you give me that big pin behind you there. Okay, and then this one, I'll run it so you ain't gotta stress. But this goes like this.
Yeah.
That bushing in the middle. And here's the other one. Hold it, yeah, hold the cylinder back there so you ain't near where it's moving. And we should be able to twist it however we need it.
Tilt your top back.
This?
No,
okay.
The other way.
How is the bottom? I can't see them bottom ones.
They're a little off, but if you can get that one hooked and raise it up, this bottom should come forward.
See, now it's over to...
Okay, now, yeah.
Oh, I see.
Now lift up just a little bit more. Now bring this in just a hair. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Woo. Where's this pin go?
I see. You see that hydraulic line? Yep. All right. I know what I gotta do.